Offices like the BBMP receive close to 200 applications every day and 8,000 are still pending. The RTI cell says that they are overburdened and can do nothing more than forwarding the request to the officer concerned. On the other hand, RTI activists often find themselves open to mental harassment, threats, physical abuse by the authorities that they have filed queries against.
See, we are demanding here BBMP regarding what are all the properties which you have in the BBMP limit. We asked the information since last 5 months back. The BBMP has not given that information.
The RTI Act of 2005 stipulates the time period within which an RTI query has to be responded to, but has no provisions for the protection of these activists. Over the years, the casualties continue to pile up.
It goes from case to case, and especially if the case is regarding real estate and if there is too many things at stake, then I have heard from some activists that they have received some threatening calls from builders. There have been cases where some PIOs directly informed about the query to the builder and the builder called them. So, but again, in my experience, what I've seen is whenever you ask such query, you do get a warning from the miscreants. Okay, they do give a warning, and there it's up to you. Either you drop the case or you go with a lot of people.
Lawyers say that the laws regarding the RTI are hard to implement, and the process requires people to continuously follow up on requests which can take over a year.
On paper, the entire RTI Act seems really nice, and it seems like the ideal thing that any country should have. But when you come to the application of it, which is the same as with most laws in India, when you come to the application, the implementation of that law is where most of your problems arise. So the implementation can only be improved by cooperation from the authorities.
The NCPRI, an activist body, compiled data on such attacks. Since 2005, 48 activists have been murdered and 91 cases of harassment and more than 100 cases of assault have been reported in the country.
In case any RTI applicant is threatened or attacked, then the information sought by that RTI applicant would be published on the website. And I don't know if that's come into implementation at all. I don't think it has. But there are steps like that you can take to ensure that the threats or the attacks don't happen.
There are many still awaiting a response. The Safe Karnataka Foundation recently protested on the BBMP premises asking for a response to an RTI they filed.
BBMP has not provided the information what they have asked in RTI. So BBMP Commissioner made it very clear that BBMP is having all sorts of documents regarding the properties owned by BBMP and even the other properties.
The RTI Act has not been implemented according to the specified guidelines. There are many still awaiting a response, while there are others who bear the brunt for trying to make use of the law. It remains to be seen what steps will be taken to make the Act more effective and the process more efficient. This is Pavitra Parekh and Kedar Deshpande reporting for CityCast.